Hey, welcome back to Rogaland Fishing Adventure. Today we're on a new mark fishing. If you want to see what I catch, tune into the channel. Just a little heads up, there is a personal best fish. And when you're fishing in conditions like this, why wouldn't you subscribe? So, if you want to see more action from Rogaland Fishing Adventure, drop over to the page, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so you get notified every time I post a new video.